Hey there, welcome back to the channel. My name is Roderick and welcome to Roderick Reviews, where we take a look at software products, tools, digital products, anything on the interwebs that can help you improve your life and your business. Today we're going to be taking a look at Tweety. Tweety is a new software product that is going to really take a lot of the hassles out of posting to what is still a great source of traffic, but takes a lot of time, and that is on Twitter. So what we're going to do today is just do a quick review of the product, take a look at it. I have a login here and give you some of my thoughts. If you're interested in picking this up, I think it's going to be, if you're at all involved in driving traffic to a website for yourself or your business or your clients, or you're looking for a much easier way to let some automation basically get your message out there, especially using Twitter, this is going to be something that you're going to want to check out. So here we're going to go right in and log into the software. Hopefully, here we go. All right, so what happens is it takes you directly to this dashboard, and I'm just going to cover a few of the features here. I've played around with this a little bit. The first thing you're going to have to do is come over to My Account right here, and you're going to want to connect your Twitter account, or the Twitter account that you want to work with. This is a demo version that I'm working with here, so it already has a number of different profiles connected. So you just go ahead and add your Twitter profile right there. It's going to ask you to authorize the app. This would connect it actually to one of my Twitter profiles, so I'm not going to do that right now. But you got to actually have a Twitter profile set up, and that's what you're going to be sending it from. Now what we want to do is first come over here and add a post. And this is going to really do a lot of the work for you in the sense that you can pull from a variety of information that's available on the internet, or you can pull up a photo or video or a link or text. So this one I'm going to just do a photo. So what I do here is I just go to File Manager and I could upload. I can go to Google Drive, I could go to Dropbox, I could hit OneDrive, really anything I want. So if I wanted to just upload a particular photo or an image, let's just get one of my... something like that. Okay, we'll upload that right there. Okay, by the way, this is a completely fake person, so it's a AI generated picture of someone that actually doesn't exist. You write your caption, you write your tweet here, and then also drop in an affiliate link, so you, website or anything like that. So if I wanted to drive people to rodcasilli.com like that, you can click right there, and then you just go ahead and post it right here, and it will post to one of these particular Twitter accounts. Now, what's pretty cool about this is, again, you're going to get this little preview right here, and you can post any types of content that you want to post. But really, the power is then in figuring out the right hashtags and other information that you should have, and you can kind of get that over here from sort of top trend. So you come over here to top trend, and let's say that you were promoting something in a particular area or a particular geographic part of the world. I'll wait for this to load here. In fairness to the software, I'm running a lot of things on my computer here. So if we just wanted to put in Los Angeles, where I happen to be based right now, we click in Los Angeles, and we can see some of the top tweets. Now today is 420 day. This software is going to be available tomorrow. So if you just take this 420 day, and this can be whether your tweet has to do with this particularly or not, you come back to the post and you can put that particular trending hashtag right into your post right there. So you're going to know whether that's so again, it didn't save what I was doing right here because I didn't actually post it right there. But you can put any of the hashtag 420 right in there, and you're all set, something like that. By the way, I wanted to point out that I learned a little bit about what's going on here by just going to this tutorial. So it's always nice when software has a nice tutorial. So if I just click on this tutorial here, you'll see that it comes with a variety of different videos. How can I start using it? How do I connect my Twitter account? How do I start getting traffic? So it's going through some of these steps. So that's what I was doing as well. It also has this VIP training right in here. This is the couple of the guys that developed the software. There's an entire demo here that will go into a lot more detail. This is actually also available on my channel and on YouTube as well. And you can see a lot of support and training here for how to use the software. But the good news is that it's pretty simple in terms of, on the left-hand side, you're going to have everything you need to sort of poke around and start working with things. Another feature that's pretty cool is this spin feature. So let's say what you do is you've actually written a particular post or tweet already, and you want either more distribution for that, but you want it to sort of mix up the text a little bit. You'll take the text of your original tweet, paste the new text in here, and then spin it, and it'll just change it around enough so that it looks unique, which is kind of cool. That way you don't have to worry about, because essentially what you're looking to do is use hashtags and the software to actually properly send that tweet out into the Twitterverse and begin to get you traffic back. So this spin feature is kind of cool. It's called a Tweety Spinner. So that was sort of neat. I played around with that as well. You can schedule tweets. Now there's a lot of software that does things like this, but this is kind of nice that it's all in the same place. So as you can see, you could queue or publish or schedule tweets to go out at any particular time that you want, which is pretty nice because it's often if you're involved in social media marketing or you do anything where you use social media to look to get your message out, you got to create a decent amount of content. And again, this tool is going to do a lot of that for you. And then you have to do it all at one time and then figure out how you're going to schedule it or use a different scheduler. So that's all in here as well. There's a nice gallery here in terms of being able to get access to all kinds of different images and information. This is going to be the gallery that you upload. And of course, there are plenty of free image sites where you can pull in different content images for yourself here as well. There's full analytics that'll tell you all about the analytics for how your particular campaigns are running. There's not a lot of analytics in here. Well, let's see if there's some for one of these profiles. Okay, so here's one of the sample profiles. Gives you a sense of the analytics that will be in here if you start really using the tool. And then finally, this auto activity is pretty cool. With the auto activity here, you have the ability to essentially go out and automatically reply and retweet and follow and unfollow people that are engaging with your particular content. So these are various profiles that are in here, and you can see the amount of favorites and replies. So for instance, if you go down to start right here, I think it's actually settings. You go to settings, and right in here, yes, okay. So you can choose exactly what you want to do. Okay, so do you want to favorite certain tweets that interact with your content? Do you want to reply? Do you want to retweet? Do you want to follow? Do you want to unfollow? All of those types of things that you can do. So as an example, if you have a particular trending tag that you're trying to work with and people are interacting with that particular tag or with a tag that you've created for your content, you can have the software automatically continue that thread and keep everything going without you having to do a whole lot. So really well thought out, lots of stuff going on here. This is not meant to be a full demo. Again, there's some really nice tutorials inside the app that will tell you all about it. And if you're interested in picking it up, again, it's going to be available starting tomorrow, which I believe is today's 4/20, so it'll be April 21st. And in the link below in the description, I have a link to some of the bonuses and things that are part of picking it up if you wanted to do so through Roderick Reviews and the site here. All right, we'll leave it there for now. Again, really powerful ability to essentially, let me just scroll up here. This is the sales page. It's kind of long here, but this is really all the steps. There's a lot of stuff the software does, but this is really all you're going to do. You're just going to choose a keyword or a niche, what you should know a little bit about who you're trying to target, whatever, making money online or weight loss or whatever it happens to be, fitness. And then the software is going to really target that particular niche. You're going to enter the link. Obviously, you're trying to drive traffic to some sort of call to action, a website or an e-commerce store or some place that you're trying to, maybe it's your profile. It can be, obviously, you could do all this for clients as well. So you're going to input the URL that you want traffic to send to as you construct that tweet, and then you're just going to activate the Tweety Bot. You're just going to post it and send it out there and let their software do everything else. So pretty cool. Again, Pinterest, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, all these sites are extremely powerful, but they've gotten very busy and very noisy, and it helps to have software to help automate a lot of that a lot of that traffic for you, or a lot of the process to get that particular traffic. And again, we took a quick look and saw that we didn't have a whole lot of analytics, but you could probably get lost in a lot of understanding how this bot is actually starting to work for you, and make a number of tweaks once you start using the software. So that's it. This is Tweety, launching tomorrow on 4/21, day after 4/20. My name is Roderick with Roderick Reviews. I want to thank you for spending a little time here. If you'd like to find out more about new software products, digital products, everything out there on the interwebs that is hitting the market, keep in mind in terms of the investment in this type of software, it's so limited relative to what it would cost you to buy one of the big marketing suites that's sold to marketing agencies. So if you're interested in finding out more about great software at really reasonable prices, hit the subscribe button here. Turn on bell notifications so you're notified of the next time that I am doing a review, and leave a comment if you'd like. Comments are definitely helpful, and I interact with all the comments. Again, if you'd like to pick up Tweety, look at the description below. I'll give you all the information there. Thanks a lot. We'll see you at the next review.